weekends. So in this video we are going to unbox and test built-in sound quality of wireless mic. So this is from Grenaro wireless mic. Let's unbox and see what's inside. So we saw the unboxing. This is from Grenaro model P11. So the main reason to select this particular variant is since it's come with noise cancellation 3 levels, and it's a compact size, and we have a display on the charging case that indicates the battery level, and easy plug and play. And there are a lot of features, but mainly reason to select that, meaning compact size and easy to play, so easy plug and play. So here this is the main device. So this comes with charging case along with the connector. Sorry. So once we remove this connector, so once we connect with the Type-C supported mobiles which have OTG support, all the Type-C mobiles will support this wireless mic. So once connect this to the Type-C phones, you can just right away can use this wireless mic. So this is very compact and lightweight. So let's connect this to mobile and check how it works. And this come with Type-C, double-headed Type-C cable, and then along with lightning connector as well. So we can even use for iPhone 14 or lesser than iPhone 14. So this is the lightning cable connector. So now I connected the mic. So as soon as I connected the mic, how will get to know that whether the voice is recording from the phone mic or from this mic? So once you connected and once you attach to this shirt or t-shirt, so as soon as you press on start recording button, you will be getting a pop-up or the notification like the audio is recording from the USB mic. So based on that, we will get to know whether the voice is recording from the mic or not. And let me know the difference in voice before and after connecting the mic. So coming to the features, So here we have yellow color button along with three LED with indications. So once you press this button, single tap, it will goes to noise cancellation level 1. When you press the second time, it will go to noise cancellation level 2. When you press the third time, it will go to the noise cancellation level 3. When you click again, it will come to 0 by the default one. So the middle one is for the mute. So when you double click, so maybe it is not recorded. When I double press this button, so it will go to mute. So once you double tap this button, it will go to mute. Once you click again on double tap, it will go to unmute. And then when you click on 3 times, it will go to reverb mode. So maybe the voice can be different. So I'm going to click on button again 3 times. So it came to normal. So these are the features which we can control from this button. And we'll test the noise cancellation in outdoor. Maybe in indoor you can't see any difference. How that will test once we go outside. So now I'm in open area. I'm recording without microphone. So this is how the voice is recording in a decent place. Now we'll connect microphone and see is there any difference in the outside using noise cancellation level 1, 2, 3. So now I connected microphone. So I'm recording this from microphone with the default without noise cancellation. This is how the voice. Now let me turn on noise cancellation level 1. So now it's in level 1. So this is how the voice from the noise cancellation level 1. So let me see whether I'm able to go into traffic. Okay, so we'll try from the decent place how the voice is recording when there is no traffic in the open area. So now let me try from level 2. So now it is in level 2. So this is how the voice is recording in the noise cancellation level 2. So you can see if there is any difference in the air or in the voice modulation, everything. So now let me turn the mic into noise cancellation level 3. So now it is in level 3. So this is how voice is recording from noise cancellation level 3. I'm recording from the phone without any mic in the traffic. So there are a few vehicles passing and we can hear that sound. So now let's connect this mic and we'll see the noise cancellation, how it works. Now I connect a microphone. So this is how the voice will be recording in traffic in level 0. So now let me move to level 1. So now it is in level 1. This is how the voice is recording in level 1. Now let me change to level 2. So now it is in level 2. This is how my voice is recording in traffic in noise cancellation level 2. So now let me change to level 3. So now it is in level 3. So this is how my voice recording in traffic in level 3. So now it is recording in level 3 in traffic. I can say noise cancellation is working better in a decent way, not good. So for this price point, it is good. It's working in a better way. So now we are in car and I connected through wireless mic itself and it is in noise cancellation level 3. So this is how my voice in noise cancellation level 3. So now I'm having a secondary phone. So now I'm going to do a range test. So till how far I can be connected this wireless, how long I can go. So now I'm going to keep this recording it here itself. So and then I'm moving around 50 to 60 feet. More than that, we'll see how long I can be connected with this wireless. So let me start recording from this one. So here it started recording. So let me go. 1, 2, 3. Let me count again. So from here, I'm taking normal steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So our car is somewhere here. So that's the right one. So I'm here. We'll see whether the voice is still recording or not. So it's around 50. I'll go till 60 to 70. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So I'm crossing 65. So it's 64, 65. And we'll check whether the voice is still recording or not. So now we'll go and see whether the voice is recording or not. So now I connected through our microphone, so it is in level 3. So this is how my voice in noise cancellation level 3. So coming to the pricing, it cost me exactly 1940, so 1940 rupees. Since I buy it from Grenaro official website, I got 15% discount. So usually same when you see in Amazon or another websites, it's cost me around 2,250 rupees. So where I got around 250 rupees discount with all discount and shipping charges, I got it for around 1940 rupees. To the build and sound quality, so coming to the build quality, it is decent for this price. I can feel it's good in hand. It is feeling it's good. So not too cheap, not too premium. It's in a decent quality. It's come with matte finishing and a small display for the battery indication. So once I plug out and plug in, it will show the battery indication. If it is charging, it will show that rising bar for the respective one, right or left microphone. And then coming to the parts, even though whether it is connector or the mic, it's good. It's in decent quality. I can feel the magnetic is strong. It is fitting properly without any loose connection. It is sturdy. The quality is good. If you see the indicator, it's in glossy with the respective LED light. It is good. Even with it is simple naming Grenaro. Even that is good. So overall quality in terms of build and audio, it is decent. Even when we went to traffic, there it was quite decent, not too good. It's doing at its best for this price point. It's decent. So we can record our voice way better than the phone mic. So that's in this video unboxing and initial impressions on Grenaro P11 mic. See you in next video. Bye.